Hello everyone, today is about Prim's algorithm. See, Prim's is coming under greedy algorithm. So see, this topic is very important for GATE, because in GATE, from Prim's algorithm means question is has been asked means to find out the minimum spanning tree. So here we are interested to find MST, means minimum spanning tree. See, this is the given graph. Now the first step we have to optimize this graph. So while optimization, see, there are 4 nodes A, B, C, D. There are 4 nodes. So here we'll write B. We'll draw the nodes here A, B, A and C. Now we'll connect the path. See, now we've connected this path. Now what we will do is, here they have given self loop. Self loop is given, and semi loop is given. So we have to omit this loop. Self loop we have to omit it. In optimization, self loop and semi loop have to omit it. See, when in exam some self loop is given this type of graph, so we have to omit it. Now here the distance is 11 and 5, and the diagonal distance is given 4, 5 and 10. So now self loop and semi loop is omitted. Now this is the optimization graph. Now we'll apply Prim's algorithm in this graph. Now see how many nodes are there? 4 nodes are there. So we have to draw a table. We have to draw the table. In this table, see, there should be 4 nodes A, B, C, D. A, B, C, and D is coming, and C and D. Now what we have to do? We have to find the distance and we have to write here. See, we have to follow this graph. See, from A to A distance is nothing is given, so we have to write 0. And from A to B distance is 5. See, A to B distance is 5. A to C distance is 10. A to D, see, nothing is there, so infinity. A to D, no distance is there. See, we cannot move A to D directly, so the distance is infinity. See, from B to A, see, from B to A is also 5. From B to B, see, B to B distance is 0. Then B to C distance is 4, and B to D, see, B to D distance is 11. Now we are moving to C. See, from C to A 10, C to B 4, C to C 0, and C to D 5. Now D to A again is infinity, and D to B, see, D to B 11, and D to C is 5, and D to D is 0. See, now we have drawn this table. Now we have to follow this table, and we have to write step 1. See, in step 1 what we will do, we will find the step 1 from first row we have to find the minimum cost. This is the first row, and we have to find the minimum cost. So the minimum cost is, first row is A to B. A to B is the minimum cost. A to B equal to 5 minimum cost. So minimum cost is A to B. Now the graph will be look like this. From A, here A is given, and here B is given, and it is 5. 5 is given. See, this is B node, A to B 5. Now in step 2 what we will do is step 2. From first 2 columns. In the step 1 we have done from first column. In step 2, from first 2 columns. First two rows, sorry. So in step 1 from first row, in step 2 from first 2 rows. See, first 2 rows, what is the minimum distance? See, A to B we have got in the first case 5, so this is also over. So I'm marking it, means this is over, because A to B 5, then B to A is also 5, means this one is over. From first 2 rows we got the minimum distance, this one. See, B to C, BC we get 4. So BC, now we'll join BC, B and C 4. Now we'll check for the from first 3 rows. Step 3, from first 3 rows. See, from first 3 rows, see, this is also over, because B to C we get 4, and C to B again 4. Now See, from first 3 rows 10 and 5 is given, so the minimum cost is C to D. This is the one, C to D, CD equal to 5. So this is the minimum cost. Now to drawing the graph C and D. See, this is the graph C and D, D5. See, now it is over. See, now, yes, now the chart is, now from this table it is over. Minimum, if there are 4 columns, you have to check for 3 rows only. If there are 4 rows, you have to check for first 3 rows. If there are, example, if there are 5 rows, then you have to check for 4 rows, means first 4 rows. If there are 6 rows, then you have to check for first 5 rows. Now there are 4 rows, we have checked for 3 rows. Now it is over. Now the minimum spanning tree is 5 plus 4 plus 5. 5 plus minimum spanning tree. MS means minimum spanning tree is 5 plus 4 plus 5. See this one, 5 plus 4 plus 5. How much we get? 40. So over. So this is about Prim's algorithm. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.